Welcome, children. Today in EVS 1, we are going to learn about air. Can you tell what are the people in the pictures doing? See here, the people in the pictures, they are doing something or the other. Now, here you can see one man is pumping air into a cycle tube. Here, a girl is blowing air in a rubber balloon. Here, one man is filling air in the tire of a car. Try this. Take water in a big container. Take a small narrow container. Hold it upside down on the surface of the water and without tilting it, push it down into the water. Now allow it to tilt. What do you see? Bubble rise at once to the top. What does this tell us? Air is lighter than water. So air bubbles rises to the top as soon as the container is tilted. It means that there was air even in the container that appeared to be empty. The atmosphere. The earth on which we live is round in shape, like a ball. There is air all around the earth. If we go higher above the earth, we find that there is air till a height of almost 15 kilometers. This covering of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. Over here you can see. As we go farther from the earth, the layers of the air become thinner. That is, the layers of the air closest to the earth are very close to each other, while the ones at higher levels are not so close. The air at greater heights is rare. Now try this. Take a slightly deep dish like a saucer here. Stand a candle at its center. Fill water in the dish. Here you fill water in the dish. Light the candle. Now place a glass tumbler over the candle. Here, glass tumbler. What do you see? Soon the candle goes out and the level of the water inside the tumbler rises up to a certain level. Here you can see the candle goes off and the level of the water rises inside the tumbler up to a certain level. Why does this happen? One of the constituents of air helps burning. As it gets used up, water rises in the tumbler. When that constituent is finished, the candle goes out. The water level too stops rising. This constituent of air that helps burning is called oxygen gas. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of air. The circle in this picture shows all the air in the atmosphere. If we divide the circle into 5 equal parts, then the oxygen in the air will be equal to one of the parts. Here, the circle, if we divide into 5 equal parts, then the oxygen in the air here will be equal to one of its part. Apart from oxygen, there are other gases in the atmosphere. Which could those be? The oxygen in the air is used both for burning as well as respiration. Which are the other uses of air you know about? You have learned that gas that fizzes out of a soda water is carbon dioxide. This gas is present in small quantities in air too. You have also learned that plants make their food using air and water in the presence of sunlight. When plants make their food, they use the carbon dioxide from the air. You have seen that when you place ice in a glass and it becomes very cold, droplets of water settle on its outside. It means that water too is present in air in the form of a gas. However, the largest part of air is made up of still another kind of gas. This is called nitrogen. Here, over here, can you see the figure? See the largest part. See, largest. The largest part of air is made up of another kind of gas. This gas is called nitrogen. See, largest part nitrogen, then oxygen and other gases. Do you know the burning that takes place in factories? Here you can see the factories, vehicles here, stoves in the kitchens, etc. gives out smoke. Here you can see smoke. This smoke too mixes with the air around us. What we have learned: air is present all around us, even in places that appear to be empty. There is a covering of air all around the earth. It is called the atmosphere. The layers of the air in the atmosphere close to the earth are pressed closer to each other, while the upper layers are rare. Air is a mixture of several gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor are its main constituents. Always remember, fuels like coal, petrol, and diesel give out smoke while burning, which mixes with the air. This can cause ill health. Thank you.